When you visit Kyoto and you're looking to plan a one-day trip to the outskirts, I highly recommend checking out Kibune and Kurama for a great day out. In this video, we'll highlight the must-see attractions at Kibune and Kurama, share some great day trip routes to these two areas, and essential info about getting to these spots using the Eizan Railway. Don't miss the Eizan Electric Railway Maple Leaf Tunnel, which is a must-see during the autumn season. Let's get started. When you step out of the Kurama station, you'll spot Kurama's landmark, a massive red Tengu statue. It has quite the fierce look, with a nose as straight as a mace. It's known as a monstrous Tengu by folks around here. Legend has it that Minamoto Yoshitsune encountered the Karasu Tengu's monster up in the Kurama Temple mountains, and that's where he learned his warrior skills. As we keep walking a bit, we come across Niomon, which is the main gate of Kurama Temple. If you want to visit Kurama Temple, you'll have to pay a 300 yen mountain access fee. Kurama Temple, which was established back in 770 AD by a Nara monk named Kanzen. One of its notable features is the diamond bed located in front of the main hall, which is renowned for its energy attraction. Legend has it that if you stand in the center of the hexagram, you can absorb the energy of heaven and earth. After the hike, we were both really hungry, and fortunately, we had already booked a table at Yoshuji for some delicious Buddhist vegetarian cuisine for our lunch. Yoshuji is an excellent spot to grab some energy before tackling the mountain, or it's a nice place to satisfy your hunger after the climb, like us. We ordered the Kurama Yama and Hana meal set, which come with seasonal sticky rice, sesame tofu, vegetable sides, and buckwheat noodles with grated toppings, among other things. If you show your Kurama and Kibune bus Eizan train day trip ticket, you'll get to enjoy a complimentary cup of delicious coffee. It's quite surprising to find such an upscale restaurant in such a tiny village like this, and this charming contrast only makes this place even more appealing. After we had a delightful and nutritious meal, we hopped on the Eizan train to reach Kibune Station. Once you step off the train, it's about a 30-minute walk to get to Kifune Shrine. Since it's a hilly route, I'd recommend waiting for the bus number 33, right across from the station. It's a quick 5-minute ride and you can get off at Kibune Station. Once you disembark, just follow the stream for a few minutes and you'll find the entrance to Kifune Shrine. It's a straightforward process. The bus ride costs 160 yen, but if you've got the Kurama and Kibune bus Eizan train day trip ticket, it's all included. Kifune Shrine was constructed 1600 years back. The shrine has always been dedicated to water-related deities. The Kibune River, which flows nearby, serves as the source of the Kemogawa River. Locals believe that the god here has the power to influence rainfall and water sources, and this belief is held dear by businesses in the food, catering, and alcohol industries. The Kibune River is held in high regard as a sacred waterway. The most popular Instagram photo spot in Kyoto is the long path at Kifune Shrine, lined with 2 rows of red lanterns. In different seasons, this lengthy pathway offers varying views. During spring and summer, the lanterns are vibrant in shades of red and green. As autumn arrives, they transform into stunning hues of red and vivid orange. In winter, the lanterns are covered in white snow, giving them the appearance of wearing a cozy white hat. The main shrine of Kifune Shrine is located at the top of those stone steps. That's where you'll find the Emma statues featuring black and white horses. Back in ancient Kyoto, folks used to offer up black horses when they wanted rain and white horses when they were hoping for sunny weather. But since real horses were too pricey, they started using Emma tablets instead. Kifune Shrine is actually where the tradition of Emma in Japan first began. Another cool thing to check out at the main shrine is the water divination. You can get a water divination for just 200 yen. When you place the empty divination piece into the water beside it, the lot's meaning will show up, but it might not be clear to you if you're Japanese and want to understand it better. You can also scan the QR code to get translations in Chinese and English. You can keep heading uphill along the Kibune River from the main shrine to get to the Nakagu Shrine of Kifune Shrine. As you continue on your journey, you'll spot a pair of tall trees known as the Aoi. Noose trees symbolize the enduring connection between the couple. If you're in good shape, you can keep going and climb another 500 meters to reach the Okumiya, which is where they originally built Kifune Shrine. Once you're done checking out the shrine, you can stroll down the road beside the Kibune River, heading back to the bus stop, off spot. From there, you can join the queue for the bus that'll take you back to the Eizan train Kibune station. During the maple viewing season, the Eizan Electric Railway's Kirara observation train takes it slow between the Akihara and Nenesi stations. This allows everyone to fully enjoy the beautiful red maple leaves on both sides, especially when they light up at night. When those red maples are all around, it's like a dreamy ride through a tunnel of night maples. It's a shame we visited Kibune in the spring and missed out on this amazing maple tunnel. We got ourselves the Kurama and Kibune bus Eizan train day trip ticket, which lets us ride the Eizan train as much as we want. So we started our journey from the final station, Kurama, and then headed back to Kibune. There are 3 different routes to explore both Kurama and Kibune depending on how much time and energy you have. If you're not up for a long walk, this one is for you. Just hop off the Eizan train at Kurama Station. From there, it's just a quick 2-minute stroll to get to Kurama Temple, Niomon. Once you've explored there, take another 2-minute walk to reach Cable Salmon Station. Hop on the mat, Kurama Cable Railway to get to Cable Tahado Pagoda Station, and from there, it's a short 10-minute walk to the Kurama Temple Main Hall. To wrap it up, return the same way to Kurama Station via the Cable Railway. Next, take the Eizan train back to Kibune and spend some time exploring the area. If you're looking to immerse yourself in a beautiful forest, breathe in the fresh air, and get some exercise, this is the perfect route for you. Starting at Kurama Station and heading to Kurama Temple Niomon. However, instead of taking the cable railway, you can take a 5-minute walk to Yuki Shrine, followed by a leisurely 20-minute stroll along the Tuzura Ori path until you reach the Kurama Temple Main Hall. On your way back, just retrace your steps to Kurama Station and continue your adventure to Kibune from there. The final route is perfect for those who enjoy hiking and are up for a bit of a challenge. Just like the second route, you'll be walking all the way from Kurama Station to the main hall of Kurama Temple, passing through Yuki Shrine and the Tuzura Ori path. After that, keep hiking for about 50 minutes to reach Kifune Shrine via the west gate of Kurama Temple. We chose the second route, and the hike was fantastic. Getting to Kurama and Kibune is really simple. Take the Keihan Electric Railway to Damakiyanagi Station. When you get there, go up the stairs to reach the Eizan Electric Railway's Damakiyanagi Station. From there, you can transfer to the Eizan Electric Railway's Kurama line to either Kurama Station or Kibuneguchi Station. It only takes about 30 minutes. You can purchase the Kurama and Kibune Bus Eizan train day trip ticket from Kansai Tourist Information Center, Kyoto, or at Damakiyanagi Station of Eizan Railway. It costs 2,000 yen and offers unlimited rides for a day on Keihan Railway, Eizan Railway, and certain buses. If you're interested in learning more about the various travel passes available in Kyoto and Osaka, check out this video right now. We'll see you at our next stop in Kyoto.